Hello Mahesh, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Good, sir. How are you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. So Mahesh, you have applied for a front-end developer role. So can you just brief me about yourself?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir. I'm Mahesh Gode. I'm from Wheel. I did my diploma from Padma Shri for a Pravara Rural Education Society from Loni. I have I am passed out from 2017. After that, I was working 3 years in mechanical field, and after that, in 2020, and shifted into the IT field. Now I have 2 years of experience in IT as a front-end developer, in which 1.5 year as a HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and from last 6 months I was working as an Angular developer. So this is about me.
Okay. So can you just explain me on what projects do you worked on?
Okay. Sir, I was working on a basic URL. First of all, starting, I'm working on a only HTML, CSS, like making a static dynamic website formatting. And from last 6 months, I was working on a banking projects for build the logic and that types of.
Yes, but what is the project name or how the project is about what,
Okay.
which
Sir,
domain?
sir,
Yes.
I was working in a Angular 10 on the sir UPSC board project, sir, for a field of Indian government was it for the project for data collection of students who are applying for the MPSC or UPSC. That types of one project currently I'm working in.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Mahesh. What is HTML?
So the hypertext markup language, sir, in which when we click on any link, so it's a redirect on another page. It's through the hypertext, sir. It is a hypertext markup language.
Why we use canvas element?
So canvas element is for photo pictures or it is a semantic tag in HTML5, sir.
Do you know how to use it?
No, sir, I was not using in my project, so I don't know about much more
Okay.
about
What is iframe tag?
it, sir.
Iframe tag.
iframe tag. Sir,
Yes.
in an iframe tag, we have a screen. In another screen is iframe tag, sir.
Okay. Can you show me how to use it?
Sir, I don't much more. I don't know about this, sir. Basically, I was working in a most of in JavaScript, sir.
Okay. So what is JavaScript?
So, JavaScript is sort of lightweight, highly sort of having a first-class function, object-oriented language. Sir. Lightweight means it's consume very less space of our memory, and first-class function means any declaration, any function we can store in any declaration is a first-class function. So its example is like a function expression in which we are store any function.
Okay. What is shallow copy and deep copy?
Shallow copy and deep copy.
Deep copy.
Okay, sir. Shallow copy means, sir, in an array we have two or more nested. We are using. We have array more than two. So we use a spread operators for shallow copy. So it will not deeply copy means if we have two or more than two array nested array.
Can you explain me with the example the
Okay, sir.
difference?
Okay, sir. I will explain. Sir, is my screen visible to you?
Yes,
Okay.
it is started visible.
Here, sir, we can see the three-dimensional array. So when we use it just like this. Sir, hello, hello, Rishi, sir.
Yes.
Sir, here you can see it's a separated array, but
Hmm.
in it is not a fully copy or a deeply copy. Here, 7, 8, 9, it says a shallow copy. It's an example of shallow copy.
Show me.
Mm, yes, sir.
No, this is not the example of shallow copy and deep copy. What is the difference? Do you know what is the
Yes,
difference?
sir, I know the difference.
Tell
So,
me.
so here we are using the spread operator for
Hmm.
shallow copy. Means it is a three-dimensional array. In an array
Hmm.
is another array and another array. So when we use a spread operator for create a one array for all the elements or separate the elements, so it's not deeply copy. It's only copy. It's a three-dimensional array. So it's create a two-dimensional array. But when we using a JSON method, JSON dot stringify and JSON dot parse method, so it will deeply copy, sir. I will show you.
This is also a deep copy, no?
No, sir, it's not separate all the array. No? Here,
It will not separate because you have given only for the do one thing, go to your code,
yes, sir.
okay? Okay. Take simple one-dimensional array. Why you are getting confused? Okay. Take simple one-dimensional array. One dimensional, yes. Okay. Hmm. Okay. This is a one-dimensional array.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what happens in shallow copy and deep copy? What is the difference between them? What shallow copy does?
No, sir, I don't know.
Shallow copy means how will you copy this?
No, sir, I don't know.
Okay. Take one variable, clone skill something equals to skill. This is shallow copy.
Yes, sir.
Now, if we change the skill, clone skill also change. If we change the clone skill, skill also will change. This
Yes,
is
sir.
a shallow copy.
Okay.
Deep copy means now you can use here that spread operator. That is deep copy. But what is the difference?
Okay, sir. Sir, it's clone skill holds the reference and uh, ZX is holds the value, sir.
Okay, means what is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy?
Sir, in a shallow copy, holds the reference, sir. So it's one changes, so all the
No,
changes.
no. Holds the reference, but what it will copy? That is a you can read after the interview. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now you got the concept.
Yes, sir.
You can read the perfect definition of that.
Yes.
Okay. Fine. What is a recursive function?
Sir, the function you call itself, it's a recursive function, sir, and its example is a digital clock, sir. When it changes for every second, sir. It's using a recursive function called.
Yes, but you can do another example also for that. Can you write one recursive function? Small and simple recursive function.
Recursive function, sir.
Yes. Why you are using set timeout? Without using set timeout, can you write a recursive function?
No, sir. I was no.
Okay. It is simple as you told the definition. What is the definition of recursive function?
The function who calls itself, sir. After
Yes. Then write the function. The function who calls itself. Simple, no? The function which calls itself means addition will call itself in that function body.
yes, sir.
Firstly, it will call outside. Then repeatedly it will call itself means it is recursive.
Yes, sir.
Can you write?
Sir, yes,
It is calling recursively, but something is wrong in your code. You can check
yes, sir.
why it is printing nan. Check your code once.
Pencil, I
In the addition at 16th number line, did you pass anything? No,
yes, sir.
wrong. How many parameters does addition takes?
Sir, Yes, sir. 30.
How many times it is printed?
998.
Yes, means it is a recursive function calling itself. Okay, fine. What is the difference between call, apply, and bind?
Call apply and
And
call.
bind.
So it's related to API, sir.
No.
I don't know, sir, about it.
Okay. Okay. Do you know what is promise?
Yes, sir.
What is promise?
So, so promise is we get the value in a future when we apply it. It's a promise, and promise is used for to handle the error handling. Promise has four steps like fulfill, reject, pending, and settlement. So in a fulfill means we apply the promise and we got the value after some time.
Okay. Um, just tell me why we use promise.
Sir,
Mahesh.
sir, promise is used for sir avoid the callback fail, sir. Avoid the callback fail, sir. Yeah,
Then
when
why we use callback?
sir, sir, in one function we use two or more functions for getting a data like APIs or other. So it's difficult to error handling. So we use this sir promise. Sir. Hello, hello, sir.
Sorry, I was on mute. Okay. Why we use that many callback
Okay, I
functions?
was tell you, sir. Actually, JavaScript behavior is a synchronous behavior. Means it's read a code one by one line and not wait for the result, sir. And some in some cases, like we are calling getting a data from database, so we need to stop for some time and after use the data like the next function like we get take a data from database and print in a templating function. But in a synchronous behavior, it reads the codes and go to the next line without waiting to the uh,
Mahesh,
okay.
you can just tell to handle the asynchronous JavaScript we use promise callback functions, async await.
Yes, yes, sir.
To handle the asynchronous behavior of JavaScript,
Yes, sir.
correct? Or
Yes,
asynchronous
sir.
calls. For that we use promise.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know how to use promise?
Yes, sir. Can you
Okay.
show, sir?
Yes. Okay. I'm sharing you one question. Copy that in chat. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Comment the 21 number line. 21 number line. Hello. 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 Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Ah,
Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
No, no, sorry. My internet, I think there is a
Hello.
problem. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. I think you have the internet issue or I am getting it. 1 minute. I will check. Hello, Mahesh.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, yes, you are clear. Okay. So you have to call this API. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you have the API URL, API key, and the count. Okay. Call
Okay.
it using promise.
Okay.
Okay. This is a asynchronous call. So you have to use promise. And after the completion of this only, you have to resolve that promise. Okay. You can take your time. Okay. Think
Yes, sir.
and write this. Hello, Mahesh.
Yes, sir.
Is your screen share is stopped?
Yes, sir. Actually, it's some internet issue.
Just make first API call without using promise for that API. Then you can use promise. With using new XML HTTP request.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Mahesh.
So something is wrong with me. I think I'm not getting it.
You can show me the code.
One step I
Your screen is stopped.
um,
Okay.
one step
Okay. So one more step is there, no?
yes, sir. Send, onload, open, onload, and send method is there, but not something's confusion.
Then why you are not writing the send method?
Sorry, sir. Don't know.
Write send. No. XHR dot send. Okay.
Yes.
And onload is a XHR dot onload equals to function. Okay. Open the function. Now here you can
Yes.
okay. Save this.
Yes.
Saved. Go to your browser. Okay. Refresh this. Network. Open network. Open network. No, network means there.
Yes.
In the net beside the console, network is there. Now click on that network. First option. Okay. Now refresh. Your call is not sent. Why it is not sent? There is one error. What is that error?
So we are not putting cases in onload.
Yes.
Onloads or onload.
Onload.
In which onload we not put like headers, sir.
There is no need of header. Okay.
Yes.
But here you have to write in a proper way. I think some mistake is happened.
Yes, sir.
What is that body?
Sir, at the time of we have to patch method user another put.
Yes, but you are using get method.
Yes,
No,
sir.
no need of body.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Console the response text there at the 45 number line. Console. What is the error? Failed to execute open on the XML HTTP request. It is not a valid HTTP method. Show me the code. Check where you are doing the mistake.
Yes, sir.
Your, I think video is stopped and screen share also stopped.
One minute, sir. It's data network issue.
Open the code.
One minute, sir.
Okay, where do you making the mistake? You are writing wrong. First in first is method. Okay, but your method is your API URL you have given at the 50 number line. When did you call there? Hello, hello, Mahesh. Hello. So you have written in wrong. You are at the 51 number line. At the 51 number line,
Yes,
you
sir.
can check your method is API URL
Yes, sir.
and your URL is okay. Okay, now save.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now you can use promise here. You have to wait till you get the response. So where you are getting the response?
Console, sir.
Yes.
Console, sir. In a console, we want to do
No, no, means at which line you are getting the response in the code.
51, sir.
No.
I want to use, sir, promise, no?
Yes, you have to use promise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can use this. At 59 number line, is that a data? Where is send now? Send. No send is there. XHR dot. You're writing XHR dot send after return. You have to write it inside the promise. In resolve, you are passing CL data.
Since console.
Pass only data, no? Why CL data? Okay, remove that body. That is also not needed. Body, only body. No, send is. Remove that body from 53 also. Okay. So, what is happening here? You can console your data at 59 number line. Your call is failing. Why? What is the issue? On fixing console. Your API call is failing. It will not work. Why it is failing? Something you written wrong. No, no. There is no issue. You have the issue in onload and xhr.open in that function only. You can debug, no? Why you are waiting this much time? Check what is the status of that XHR at 58 number line.
This is zero, sir. It's not goes inside
No,
the
no. Put there a debugger. 58 number line, put there a debugger. 58 number line. 58. Okay, now, yes, play or F8. Okay, gone. Now check the status. No, no, no.
403, sir.
Not 3. Why 4 not 3? You are taking both the time status. XHR.status, XHR.status. Why?
Sir,
200 also to not
if 20 status is 20 or 201,
created.
yeah.
You can take another URL there. I think. Take good. I will send you one URL. Okay.
Okay.
Take this URL and paste in the API URL. Okay. Save. Now go to the Chrome. Remove the debugger. Now also you have the problem. Means you are writing some wrong code. No, there is no issue that will go after then.
Yes, sir.
Issue is in your that function 53 to 70. There is the issue in that make API call function. Just check status 200. Why you are checking 201 also? Just check 200. Save. Why you are giving that 201 also there?
Sir, yeah, it's a file. Get URL is 200 or 201.
Or you are writing and condition there.
Yes,
If you check, you have wrote and condition.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got
Okay.
it.
Now you can change the API to the previous one. So tell me the logic there. How do you implemented promise? Why did you return there only the promise? Explain me that function.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Go there.
Sir, API call function, sir.
Hmm.
We will take two methods, two parameters is the method and URL. Method for, sir, what we want, like get, catch,
No,
delete.
no. Don't explain me this much. Just tell me why did you took promise there in this function only for make API call?
Okay, sir. Sir, I was taking a promise here for, sir, two conditions, sir. If our API call success or we got the data, so we print our data in a console.
But why should we use promise for this function?
Sir, for error handling, sir, or after that, asynchronous behavior, make a asynchronous behavior of JavaScript, sir. Because here we are putting a templating function, or when we got a result after that print. Otherwise, if we not use the promise here, sir, so it first we print templating function and then we get the data. So UI on UI we cannot show anything, sir.
Okay, you have to study more.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine, Mahesh. We are done with your interview. So do you have any questions for me?
No, sir. Any suggestion, sir?
Yes. I have the suggestion that you are good in the technical also, but you have to practice a lot. You means you have to work on your ES6 part like promise. When should we use promise? You have to search about that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay. So study is the only I will suggest you give more time. Okay. Practice a lot and read a proper definitions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if you have any knowledge, only don't clear the concept, get the deep knowledge of that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Bye.
Yes.
Thank you.